I can't see! Come look at this! This is so cool! The sky turned gray! The sky turned gray everywhere.
Huh?
The sky is gray everywhere.
And I don't even know what you're saying.
The sky is gray everywhere! Whoa, lightning! Okay, we gotta go inside, guys. Hello.
Lightning hit and splintered a 2x4 and knocked the hammer out of the hammer that he was working at him. From then on, he learned to come away from when storm he quit.
Now I learned that story I don't care about.
Yeah, he said, I'll never work in
Tadpoles, oh god. I forgot to make a video. No, I did make a video on Snake. I gotta do an update. No! Why? Because it's windy? Say yes. I know. So are you.
Well, my mother always said, you can't listen, you can feel it.
I don't feel nothing. Except for my feet being cold.
Okay, you don't have socks on, too.